List of commonly used image editing tools. Like the first one we are going to read in this discussion is GIMP. This is GNU Image Manipulation Program. Why this is famous, why we are learning it? Because it is free, means no charge for download. It has very good, very powerful open source, means the code is available to you. It's very nice image editing tool. And right from the basic, if you're a moderate user, or if you are an experienced user, advanced user, GIMP caters to all of them. Then there are various other, like the Fastone Image Viewer. So this is an image viewer interactive application. It provides image editing, browsing and converting of images, and it supports almost all major formats. And there are more than 150 transitional effect, high quality magnifier, scanning facility and image annotation in Fastone Image Viewer. We have serious, or see one more way, because there are so many, we are just discussing few of them. So there is Serif Photo Plus X4, and this also provides you various features, but it is quite user friendly. This tool offers photos organization, the scrapbooking, greeting cards and web galleries. Photo impression, now you might be having some other version of Photo Studio. So this photo impression, this is again an image editing facility or tool, and the most important part is it automatically organizes all your photo and lets you print them effectively. When we talk about Photo Studio, the version can be like this. So you can add the animated text and stamping facility on high bit depth images. So you can work on different layers. You can even transform your raw photo into good ones by using this tool, because the navigation is very simple. This Picasa, most of you might be aware of, because this is a kind of application that the built-in editor is more than robust for casual users. Right from color correction, cropping and various other special effects, it will make your image look quite good. It's not a deep or detailed editing software. It is extremely easy to use, so even a new person or naive person can do the editing without any problem. Paint.net is there, photo editor is there, all they have their own peculiarity, like the Paint.net for curve shapes and for snap packing this is used. For photo editor, this is again a powerful multi-functional software, and this this contains almost everything a digital camera owner might need in order to first of all take the picture, then enhance them. So the convenience and professional approach which photo editor has is quite widespread and acknowledged. Inkspace is also there, and Corel products are also good. Corel Paint Shop. So this Inkspace, it allows the vector-based control, just like you go with Adobe Illustrator, because Adobe is the master in this. And you can also do node editing, bitmap tracing, direct XML editing and alpha blending. This is for transparency. Then we have Corel. So in order to adjust and clean up your photos, this is very good, because it has a very good integrated photo organizer with very advanced enhanced tools. And it has a very smooth interface, fast speed. This Corel Paint Shop Photo Pro X3, it makes quite easy your photo to be edited and organized.